Aalamin ng Malacanang kay DILG Secretary Mar Rojas kung anong aksyon ang upang maprotektahan ng mga kandidato. Reaksyon ito ng palasyo sa pananambang sa ginang ni dating Vice President Chofisto Ginggona at Hingoog City Mayor Ruthie Ginggona. Batay sa report, inambush ang convoy ng alkalde sa checkpoint ng New People's Army. Niliwanag ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacerda na nananatili ang pagkilos ng gobyerno laban sa revolutionary tax na kinokolekta ng NPA sa mga kandidato. Gayunman, sinabi ni Lacerda na bukas naman ang pamahalaan sa usapang pangkapayapaan sa NPA.
The AFP is fully aware and they have taken steps also to ensure that the politicians are spared from all this permit to campaign. That's the assurance that we were given by the AFP. And so if there are any, now we would like to ask the local politicians, obviously we here in National be able to determine that, but those in the local can inform us and we will let our AFP units go and make sure that there are no NPA checkpoints. This is not tolerated under this system of government.